This is really, really cool. Whew. Yeah, we just came down this. Like I said, very slippery. You want to have two hands, but I really want you to see what's happening over here. So here, right. Hello. Let's see if we can do that. We are now. Yeah, these are. I can see carob tree here, some oaks, and somebody trimmed them so they won't hit us in the face. And they also come very, very handy to stop when charging down the mountain. Yo! Okay. Now the view opens. Huh. Wow. Wow. This is really, really lovely here. Tricky, but lovely. Okay, let's see. Wow, I really don't have soles on those boots. And the rocky parts, they can be dangerous. Yeah, kind of sliding down. Huh. Oops. Oopsie daisy. And more. Well, you know what? We can do that. Nice, isn't it? I don't know if you hear my steps are not real steps, it's just sliding. Huh. Okay. Camera goes in the back again. See you soon.